There are five types of guys in the United States that you will meet. Today, I am going to tell you who they are. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on Autopilot. The first guy we are going to talk about is the tech bro. The tech bro. Technology is his specialty. It's what he is good at. He loves to talk about his app that he designed. He will tell you, I created a new app that's like Uber, but only for dogs. It sounds weird, I know, but he believes it'll work and make him lots of money. So he can buy at the store a new Patagonia vest. He loves a Patagonia vest to wear outside while drinking coffee. This is the tech bro. Be careful. He will talk to you about Bitcoin for hours and hours and days and days. Be careful. The second guy you will meet in the United States is the outdoor guy. This guy loves trees, the mountains, nature. He loves to be outside, and he loves to talk about it with you. This guy eats a lot of granola, and he loves to hike through the forest. He loves to walk or hike through the forest. If you meet this guy, he will tell you about his time in the mountain, where he camped for 3 months. He camped for June, July, and August. The entire summer, he was in the mountains, and he will tell you about it. You know he's an outdoor guy if he drives a Subaru, or if he wears sandals, especially Chacos. Be very careful, because he will ask to go camping with him. Be careful. The third guy you will meet in the United States is the gym bro. The gym bro, he loves to lift weights, but he hates cardio. Running on the treadmill, no way. No, he loves to lift weights. This guy drinks a lot of protein shakes, and he basically lives his home. His home is basically the gym. He does not live in a house. He lives at the gym. He loves to eat rice with chicken and broccoli. Be careful. He will not go to a normal restaurant. And if he does, he will still bring rice, chicken, and broccoli. It's true. I know. It's crazy. The fourth guy is normally young. Normally, he is between 18 to around 26 years old. He's normally young. And this is the frat bro. Frat comes from the word fraternity. In the United States, at university, there are organizations, there are groups, official groups called fraternities for men and sororities for women, where groups of students get together to do philanthropy, which is to give back, to help your community, to help the people around you. But really, they like to party. They like to drink and party. They do not do homework. They do not like to study. No. The frat bro likes to drink beer more than study. Be careful, because he is kind of boring. He's not very exciting. He likes to watch sports, talk about beer, and hang out with other frat bros. But normally, they're pretty nice, so it's okay. But then, when they get older, they change into a different type of person. The fifth guy is the finance bro. Once the frat bro turns 27, 28, they become the finance bro. These guys normally work on Wall Street in New York, or in banks, or in consulting companies. The finance bro, he makes a lot of money. And now, instead of beer, he drinks a lot of coffee, because he works a lot of hours. He works 80 to 90 hours a week. That's a lot of hours. But the finance bro is happy because he makes a lot of money. Be careful, because he loves his money. And he will talk about it. He will talk about it a lot. Have you met any of these types of guys? Put it in the comments below. And subscribe to keep watching Comprehensible Input with this channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye.